So hey friends, this weekend I am doing a little recon mission out to a place I've never been before. This is Lake Limestone. I just pulled up to the first campsite. It's one of the free campgrounds out here, and I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. I thought I'd share it with you though.
She's Lola. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So this says, welcome to Limestone County Park number 3. There is somebody camped out here. There's a couple people out here. Interesting. Huh. Well, I think the lady who was walking the dog is just parked right there, and I think she might be leaving. So, if so, I don't know. I think I might just stay here. Sure, it's peaceful. Pretty nice rigs here. They don't seem to mind. Like I said, it's free camping, so why the heck not? So yeah, there is really not much to it, but I don't need much to it, so this could work. It's a little bit close to this road out here, but there's not a ton of traffic, so I think it'll be fine. The only thing though is I'm a little terrified of that bathroom situation. But yeah, I'm gonna get brave and just go check it out. Alright, yeah, kind of terrifying, but let's see what the rules are here. Temporary camping only. That kind of leaves that open to interpretation, doesn't it? Fires allowed only in designated campfire sites. I don't know what that means either. None of them seem to have a fire ring. They have those little grills, but no fire ring, so I don't know. Alright, this is snazzy. Let's check it out. A weight limit on the women's bathroom door. That's pretty funny. Oh no. Oh no, no. This is brutal. Yeah. It's like Limestone County might need to do a little maintenance. Well, there are 2 other of these little campgrounds on this lake, but I think I'm going to check out the other ones tomorrow. Just make do with this, I think. Avoid the hell out of that bathroom. So yeah, that restroom was pretty scary, so luckily there are alternatives and I don't have to bother with that. Yeah, I was thinking about going and checking out the other campgrounds in case they're a little bit better, but if I do, and they're not any better, and then I come back here and this site's gone, I'll be really bummed. So this is the only one that's got like a pull-through, nice level parking spot right by the campsite. So looks like these are just kind of, yeah, not really meant for a van to camp by, I don't think. So yeah, this will work. This will definitely work. So yeah, I've got big, huge plans for this afternoon. It's about 3 o'clock now. I'm going to get my chair out. I'm going to put my shorts on because it is 81 degrees. I'm going to catch some rays, I guess, and read a book. Fun-filled, action-packed. That's what's happening here. I'm going to cook me some dinner. So, yep, just going to chill today. Campsite number 3 there, and kind of chilled out for a little while. And then a couple of trucks pulled in with their boats, a couple guys going fishing, and I thought, you know, it's still really early. This place could get pretty busy. It is only 3 o'clock on a Friday. So, command decision, I'm going to go check out one of the other campgrounds around here. It said since it is still early, that's why I took off early today, so I can do this. So I'm going to go do it. So about 20 minutes from another Lake Limestone campground. Alrighty then. Well, this is looking more promising already, actually. Yes, much more promising. Alright, public use rules. No alcohol, no glass. The bathroom definitely looks more promising. That guy down there's got the campsite. Yes, he does. Wonder where you would register. They are very fond of fences. Oh, there's an officer. I can ask him where I register. Now that was a nice officer, Officer Karen. She said, no, you don't have to register here or anything like that. Just find a place you want to camp and camp. She said her two favorite places are where that guy is down there and then the far end one over here. I really like the way she thinks. She's like, well, if you're a single female, I mean, I think you'd want to kind of see who's coming and going. So that way nobody's, you know, you're on the very end. I like the way you think because that's the way I always think too. So I told her I'd gone and checked out those other campsites first. And she said, oh, no, you don't want to camp over there. She said, there's no police presence over there. And I'm like, well, okay. She said, so it's just better here. It's more monitored. Again, I like the way she thinks. So, I mean, it is February. It's not like this is going to be a big party place this weekend. But I bet it could get crazy in the summer. All right, I'm going to go figure out how to park in this little spot that she recommended. Very cool. The sights and sounds of a mid-February day. Yeah, it's February 15th. Occasional boat going by. The birds are very happy. A couple of people down there walking their dogs. Yep, short sleeve shirts, short pants. Crazy Texas weather, I tell you. And there goes a duck. Got a baked potato on the grill. I'm going to throw a steak on here in a few minutes. Call that dinner. This is kind of unbelievably cool. Kind of cool. It's having me a little steak and baked potato action going here. Kept it simple. Yep. This is what's going on. So as far as my review on this Limestone Lake, I guess it's what'd she say, Brazos River Authority free campground. It's very nice. It's very lovely. I'm glad I came. I'm glad I checked it out. I probably won't be back in spite of the fact that it's spotless. It's beautiful. It's quiet. A great view of the lake. But there's no campfires. So that just kind of bums me out. You know, I suppose if I brought my own campfire ring, which I do have one at home, then I could probably build one and just cook on that. You know. Anyway, I said it's very cool. Very nice. I'm glad I came. I'm going to go check something else out tomorrow, though. I don't know what yet. We'll find out tomorrow. Well, I hope wherever you are, it's not too cold. I hope you're enjoying your weekend, too. Y'all stay lost, my friends. I'm watching those kids run and play. There's 5 of them. And Mom and Dad are out on the dock kind of smooching, so I kind of get why there's 5 of them. Anyway, they're very sweet, very cute.